Looking for the perfect solar and wind power parts and accessories? Here's what you need to know. The 16 PCS solar panel is making waves. And here's why. Perfect for anyone who wants high-quality materials for maximum efficiency. Crafted with premium PPO material and tinned copper conductor pins. These solar connectors ensure excellent conductivity and minimal energy loss. Designed for durability, they deliver reliable performance for long-term use in any solar power system. Designed to help you weather-resistant and long-lasting. Rated IP67 waterproof. These connectors are built to endure extreme weather conditions. From heavy rain to intense heat. With a temperature range of -40 degrees F to +105 degrees F. They provide dependable performance for. Great choice if you need versatile compatibility with solar cables. Supports PV cables with insulation diameters from 2.5 square millimeters to 6 square millimeters. 14 AWG 10 AWG, making it suitable for a wide range of residential, commercial, and industrial photovoltaic systems. Perfect for customizing your solar panel setup. If you want to check it out, I've put a link in the description with the current price. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.